Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Sanjay Late, working as lecturer at Mula Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic that is resins. This topic we will discuss for first year D-Pharmacy students. Content of presentation: Introduction, Definition of resin, General properties of resin, Resins and resins combination, Chemical test for asafoetida, Difference between gum and mucilage, Difference between gums and resins, and the last one point, isolation of resin. Firstly, we will discuss introduction. Resins are amorphous product of complex chemical nature. These are amorphous mixtures of essential oil, oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acids found as exudation from the trunk of various trees. Chemically, they contain organic acids, alcohols, esters, and neutral resins. Next point, definition of resins. Resins are solid or semi-solid exudate and end products of metabolism having complex organic chemical nature obtained from plant. Depending upon type of the constituents of the resin, they are classified as first acid resin, second ester resins, third resin alcohols. Firstly, we will discuss acid resins. This type of resin along with their acids are called as acid resins. Example, colophony in bracket abitic acid bracket complete, and second one salac in bracket alorotic acid bracket complete. Second, ester resins. This group contains ester as chief constituents of resins. Example, benzoin contain benzyl benzoate. Storax contain ethyl cinnamate and cinnamyl cinnamate. Third one, resin alcohol. The contents are complex alcohols of high molecular weight. Example, balsam of Peru with Peru-resinotanol, Gossicum resin with guaiacresinol. Next point, general properties of resins. These are amorphous mixtures of essential oil, oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acids found as exudation from the trunk of various trees. They are non-crystallizable, transparent or translucent solids, semi-solid or liquid substances containing large number of carbon atoms. Most of the resins are heavier than water. They are insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, volatile oils, fixed oils, chloral hydrate, and non-polar organic solvents like benzene or ether. Next point, resins and resins combination. The homogeneous combination of resin with other plant product like volatile oil, gum, etc. are known as resin combination. First one, oleoresins. Resins and volatile oils in homogeneous mixtures are called as oleoresins. Example: Canada balsam, capsicum and ginger. Second one, oleogum resins. These are homogeneous mixtures of volatile oil, gum and resin. Example: myrrh, asafoetida. Third one, glycoresins. These are homogeneous mixtures of resins and sugars. Example: jalaf and ipomoea. Fourth one, balsam. If resin contains benzoic acid and or cinnamic acid, it is called a balsam. Example: balsam of Tolu, storax, balsam of Peru, benzoin, etc. Next point, chemical test for asafoetida. First one, fructuated surface of the drug, if treated with sulfuric acid, forms red or reddish brown color. Second one, when treated with 50% nitric acid, the drug gives green color. Third one, when treated with water, it forms yellowish orange emulsion. Next point, difference between gums and resins. In that first point, gums, it is derived from carbohydrate consisting of calcium, potassium, magnesium salt of complex substances known as polyurinates. In that resins, it is derived from complex chemical nature consisting of resin acid, resin alcohol, resin phenol, chemically inert compounds known as resins. Second points, in that gums, it is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol and most of organic solvent. And in resin, it is insoluble in water and soluble in most of organic solvent like alcohol, chloroform, etc. Third point, containing gums, they form the viscous adhesive solution with water either by swelling or due to absorption. And in resins, on heating they soften and finally burns with sooty flame. Fourth point, gum are translucent and amorphous substances and produced by plants. Resins are uncrystalline solution of semi-viscous material found in plant. Next, fifth point, in that gums, it is produced by gummolysis process, and in resins, it is produced by the metabolism of plant. Then last point, examples of gum, gum acacia, tragacanth and gurgum. And examples of resins, capsicum, ginger and podophyllum. Then next point, difference between gums and mucilage. In that first point, gums are abnormal products of plant growth. Mucilage are normal product of plant growth. Second point, gums are produced only when the plant is growing under unfavorable conditions or is injured, and mucilage are produced inside the cells of the plant. Third point, gums are soluble or partly soluble in water, and mucilage from slimy masses with water but do not dissolve. Fourth point, Gums are plant hydrocolloids and may be anionic or non-ionic polysaccharides. Mucilage are esters of sulfuric acid, wherein ester group is a polysaccharide complex. Fifth point, examples of gums are gum acacia, tagakant, gum ghati, and gurgum. And examples of mucilage formed from food drugs are senna in bracket from leaf epidermis bracket complete. Then next one, cinnamon in bracket from bark bracket complete. Next one, agar in bracket from algae bracket complete. Then next point, isolation of resins. Pharmaceutical resins are obtained from plants by one of the following methods. First one, by extraction with alcohol and precipitation with water. Example, jalap, podophyllum, capsicum, ginger, etc. Second one, by distillation for separation of oil. Example, copaiba, colophony, etc. Third one, by heating plant. Example, guaiacum. Fourth one, as plant exudates by incision. Example, myrrh, asafoetida, balsams, etc. Fifth one, by collecting fossil resins. Example, copal, kauri, etc. Thank you.